Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chinurges from Spiritual Psychic Healer. So, this reading po is a general reading po. General reading lamang, so hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. So, this is a weekly pasilip. Now, a weekly pasilip for the month of November 13 hanggang November 19 for the sign off. For the sign off, Scorpio. So, Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, ang spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayong energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mga gilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. So guys, let's see. Alamin natin at bungkalin natin anong mga kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga gilap. So let's watch this. Angels, please give me information po. Ano kayong gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga baraha? Tutuklasin at bubulabugin natin yan, guys. So let's see. Okay, there's something at temperance and something at perfect timing. So may mga bagay dito na nasa tamang panahon, tamang pagkakataon. Ngayong linggong to, baka ito na yung tamang pagkakataon para manumbalik, no? Para ganahan ka na muli. Na pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, magkaroon ng something spark, the two of you guys with your person, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng time to each and every one. So let's see additional messages. And of course, this is something, guys, with judgment. This is something a wake-up call. So, ngayon linggong to, no, pinapaalalahanan ka na you need to pay attention. Bagay na kailangan mong pakakatandaan. No, may mga bagay na nangyari sa kasalukuyan na kailangan mong pag-ingatan. No, dahil ito na yung tamang panahon, tamang pagkakataon. No, parang this is the moment na parang lalaruin mo ng magandang eksena itong laro na to. So, ngayon linggong to, maaaring maging maganda na takbo ng eksena mo at there's the full card. Oh my God! No, it's all major arcana. The full card is something in new beginning. Now, this is something in new beginning coming in for you. No? Magiging maganda na takbo na sitwasyon mo at magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at pag-asa. Pinapaalalahanan ka lang na huwag ka masyadong magtitiwala, no, sa mga tao sa paligid mo. And this is something the two of coin. No, maging balance ka. No, keep yourself balanced. No, maging balance ka physically, mentally, emotionally. And this is something the world represents something a success, accomplishment, bagay na maaaring magtagumpay ka na, bagay na maaaring makapagsimula ka na muli, maaaring makakalis ka, no? Kung may mga hinihintay ka paper documents, there's a possible na makuha mo na. And this is something the Six of Cups, there's a past person coming back, na may taong babalik from the past, na may mga taong manunumbalik or maaaring kumaga magkaroon ng reconciliation, the two of you, na maaaring susubukan itong bumalik at titignan, no, kung mauuto ka ulit o maaaring itong tao na ito babalik para patunayan sa'yo ano man yung bagay na pagkakamali niya na nagawa sa'yo. Let's see what is the temperance. Represent with the Queen of Wands. No, this is something a confident. No, lakasan mo loob mo. Maging matapang ka. Alisin ang takot at pangamba. Alinlangan mo. No, kailangan lakasan mo loob mo sa bagay na gagawin mo. No, parang enjoyin mo tong moment na to. The more na nag-e-enjoy ka, the more na magsasucceed ka. And this is something, Seven of Coin. The Seven of Coin, something harvest time. With a judgment, pinapakita dito na kumbaga malapit na, no, parating na ang maaring hinihintay mo. No, senyales with the Seven of Coin na there's something harvest time. With the Seven of Cups, something confusion o maaaring panggulo kung tinatawagan, no? Parang pinapakita dito with a full card na huwag ka magtitiwala, may taong manggugulo o maaaring may mga taong gugulo sa sitwasyon. With the other side, with a full card, this is something in your beginning that brings you with a lot of opportunities. Alamin pa natin yan. Na ang pinaka magre-represent dito yung mismong outcome, no? Tutuklasin natin yan. What is the Two of Coin? The Two of Coins represent with an Eight of Coin. Now, this is something with a focus, na mag-focus ka at manatiling balanse pagdating sa trabaho o negosyo o hanap buhay mo. No, bagay na kailangan mo pakakatandaan at pag-iingatan. And of course, let's see, there's something the Page of Sword, something a curiosity. So, kailangan mas maging mabusisi ka. Alamin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo talaga. No, kailangan mas maging maalam ka sa lahat ng bagay. No, there's a spying looking, watching at you at the same time. No, may nagsusubaybay sa'yo dito. There's a Three of Sword. Oh my God, itong tao na to with the past, no, kung sino man yung babalik dito, past friend, past person, na babalik, wag mo nang hayaang bumalik. There's a Three of Sword. Sasaktan ka lang yan ng paulit-ulit. Oh, ang sakit. Let's see what is additional messages for the outcome na tayo with the Eight of Swords. No, there's a lot of toxic and negativities around you. No, pinapalalahanan ka, lakasan ng loob mo, lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo. Dahil nabubulagan kasi sitwasyon nito, maaaring pinapakita dito na kailangan lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo. Maraming mga toxic na kailangan ng putulin at tanggalin sa landasin mo. At the same time, there's a Four of Wands by celebration. Pinapalalahanan ka na may paparating na mga celebration at magdadala sa'yo ng tagumpay. There's a Triumphant. Now, Triumphant represents something, pay attention na may biyayang paparating. No, aanihin na naman yung bagay na iyong pinunla. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's something with that Three of Wands, waiting for a way of a shop. Kung may mga hinihintay ka, pay for document, there's a possible na makuha mo na. No, darating na naman yung bagay na hinihintay mo. Ano man yung bagay na gusto mong makuha. No, darating to. No, maraming opportunities talaga dadapo sa'yo. At the same time, there's a Seven of Wands. The Seven of Wands, something protections. No, protectionan mo at pangalaga mo yung groundsman, even your territory. Pagdating sa negosyo, hanap buhay ha, pangalagaan mo at maging balanse ka. Mag-concentrate ka dyan. And there's a Six of Swords. Makakaalis ka talaga, no? Makakalayag ka na with an international travel. At the same time, maaring unti-unti na bago ang sitwasyon at position mo. Kaya makinig ka. Additional messages. And of course, at the same time, this is something, the Chariot card, there's an action movement. Magkakaroon ng changes and development sa situations mo. Mararamdaman mo na itong tao na to, hindi talaga maganda ang intention niya sa pagbabalik niya. No, kaya kailangan makinig ka. No, kung ayaw mo pagsisiyan at the end of that time. So, let's see. Alamin pa natin, no, what is additional messages naman tayo with the spirit guides. Alamin natin with the Monsology. Now, this is something a new card. Alamin natin, no, with the Monsology, alamin natin ang pinaka-mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Anong pang mensahe sa'yo? Alamin natin yan, guys. Okay. Shuffle lang ako ng very light, no? Okay, there's a Monsology. Okay, there's something, oh my God, talaga sinasabi ng ating baraka. No? Pinapakita dito na don't let your past hold you back. No? Parang sinasabi na wag mo na raw balik-balikan ng nakaraan. No, wag mo na raw pilitang balikin or balikan. And this something show the world the real you. Ipapakita dito kung sino ka talaga na bagay na magpapakilala sa'yo ng buong pagkatao mo. At the same time, this something a new start is coming. So, pinapakita at binabahagi na magkakaroon ka na ng bagong simula at panibagong pag-asa. Kumapit ka. Dahil ngayong linggong to, babaguhin ang eksena mo. So guys, maraming salamat po. So this is something a weekly pasilip, no? For the month of November 13 hanggang November 19 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. So maraming salamat guys and see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush!